Hi! If you were wondering which is the best freelancing exchange in the top freelancer sites category, then watch this short video. I have been making over $18,000 a month on this site and I have been using it for 4 years now. Let me tell you 7 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the top freelancer sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's not waste time and get started.
DesignCrowd offers a wide range of services including custom logos, website designs, t-shirts, cartoon characters, and more. If you need any design, DesignCrowd probably has a freelancer who can create one for you. The process is relatively straightforward. At the most basic level, you create a project, designers compete to complete it, and you choose the design that best suits what you are looking for. There is a wide range of paid packages with different prices and features to choose from. Usually, you start receiving applications within 24 hours after your project is created. Depending on the package you choose and the settings, you can set a period of 3, 5, or 10 days. The later the deadline, the more applications you can select. On average, you can expect to receive over 50 applications per project. If you provide detailed feedback on the submissions you received, you will probably get even better answers. If you find that you liked the submission but did not have it in some important points, you can request certain changes before the project is completed, and the designer will refine their design for you. Once you select the winning design and complete the project, you will receive all copyright for the design as well as all design files. It's definitely an option to skip this process entirely and just get a template design, but DesignCrowd freelancers give your designs a personal touch, and customization helps your brand stand out from these standard templates. DesignCrowd certainly has several distinguishing factors that make it a solid option for those of us looking for a custom design at a reasonable price. What stands out most immediately is the size and depth of the DesignCrowd freelance community. While it's not necessarily the largest community of freelance designers, the 1,800,000 contributors are undoubtedly an impressive number. And the quality and responsiveness of the community is also great. You can view the quality of competing freelancers according to ratings and reviews from past DesignCrowd users. For an additional fee, you can make sure that your project is only available to freelancers with a certain experience and minimum rating. As a community-driven crowdsourcing service, it is important that DesignCrowd has a large but also active community. In the end, it doesn't matter how many users have accounts on their service if most of them are inactive at any given time. In DesignCrowd, this doesn't seem to be a problem. DesignCrowd not only posts jobs but also regularly runs contests for designers. The contests are very popular and help keep users active on the site. This extra level of activity helps maintain a high level of activity in the community. This means you have the power of the DesignCrowd community at your disposal. DesignCrowd offers many different packages and settings within these packages to give you the most control over your designs. The first, least expensive option is a one design service project. Unlike trademark DesignCrowd contests, you choose one designer from a variety of options. You can also purchase an add-on that ensures you only choose from highly rated options. This means that only the best of the best DesignCrowd freelancers will be able to contribute to your project. The other 4 options are all contests. The least expensive is a mini contest where you narrow down to 3 designers every other day, provide feedback, and then have a week to complete the project. The other 3 options are more traditional open tenders. You choose your budget based on how much you are willing to pay. The more you pay, the higher the quality of the freelancers who will apply for your competition. You also have the ability to control the amount of time people can submit content, the amount of content you're looking for, and so on. The degree of control over your designs and the work you get at DesignCrowd is excellent. With DesignCrowd, you can go from product creation to full copyright for a new design in just a few days, and you have a variety of designs to choose from. The speed and volume that DesignCrowd provides to customers is definitely a great feature. One add-on simply hides the project from search engines, freelancers other than the ones you choose, and other clients. Plus, you can protect your project with a non-disclosure agreement, preventing the freelancer you partner with from discussing the details of your work. These additions can really come in handy if you're working on something confidential or just want to keep the new logo a secret until you're ready to rebrand. The UI can be confusing and frankly a little overwhelming at times. There are tons of buttons on each screen, and it is not always intuitive when you have to click at any time to get to where you want to go. After a while you will get used to it, but first you need to do a little digging to figure out what to press to move forward. This is not necessarily an obstacle, and for some of you it may not matter, but many competing sites have a much more intuitive interface and a greater ease of use overall. The large freelance community on DesignCrowd is definitely positive in general, but this also means that they cannot screen potential freelancers to make sure they are professional and courteous. Usually less professional designers will be gradually filtered out due to poor ratings and reviews from other clients. However, DesignCrowd cannot guarantee a positive or pleasant working relationship with every freelancer on the site. Don't get me wrong, DesignCrowd's pricing options aren't overly or unreasonable. Many mid to high-end packages meet industry standards, if not slightly lower. For a growing or small business, this cannot be an obstacle. But if you're just looking for a quick one-off design, DesignCrowd may not be for you. DesignCrowd has an option payment structure that ranges from $99 per project to $699. It depends on the package you choose and the budget that you are willing to invest in attracting top-tier talent to your project. Apart from these prices, there is a placement fee for each project, ranging from $29 for the cheapest package to $129 for the most expensive. Additionally, a commission of 4% is charged for each new project. Basically, each of the 4 competitive packages is structured in much the same way, but the more you pay, the more applications and benefits you get. For example, the mini contest includes 6+ designs and costs $99, while the best package includes 150+ designs for $699 and big discounts on add-ons. DesignCrowd also offers several benefits in this area. There are various discount codes for new and returning customers that provide credit to your account that you can use to fund the project. Your project budget, in addition to the publication fee, is refundable. If you are not satisfied with any of the materials provided, simply contact DesignCrowd support and they will refund your project budget in full.